Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and it depends if you've got the navigation bar just like me or if you've got the gestures set. So if you've got the gestures, all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here, and at the very top of the screen you'll see all recently opened apps. But if you've got the navigation bar just like me, just tap on the square icon here. And as you can see, here we've got all recently opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, just find it and swipe it to the right or to the left, just like that. But if you want to close all of them, all you have to do is tap on this X button in the middle. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's open the recents. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.